Sunday, October 26th, and we moved in the sawhorses and workbench here so then Dad can get all the peripheral pieces in. Yep. We moved in everything yesterday and set on the equipment. It was late in the day, and clearly Dad's been busy all day with priming. He would have cleaned everything down with solvent first to get all the grease and grime off everything, and then he's got everything sanded done as well. And so this is the first chunk of priming for the auxiliary pieces or peripheral pieces on the Muskeg Tractor Bombardier that we have. And as you can see, he's been busy all day. So it's a toasty warm day in the shop because he's got the wood stove going here, but this is the remainder of the pieces that have to get sorted out. We had everything stored down here where we kind of left everything for the last couple of months while we were Dad was busy this summer, but we cleared everything out yesterday, and he just cleaned up a couple of the seats. He's got to clean up this seat here yet and get all the rust out, and then he's cleaned up the seats here that he feels that if we have to do any repairs we will, but he tested it out, it was pretty comfortable. And this Bombardier Muskeg Tractor, we're still just waiting on windows. From what I understand, our gasket will be in the country on Tuesday and delivered to our glass guy down in Winnipeg. Other than putting in glass, this one's done. Dad doesn't want to park it outside though until it actually has glass. And meanwhile, by the time that the glass does get done and gets shipped up the highway, he should be done with the rest of the painting on this stuff. And he's probably got another second coat of priming to do. And it's nice and warm in the shop, so that should cure overnight. And then he's going to flip it over, do the next prime on the underside of all this stuff. Again, this will go onto this Muskeg Tractor, and Dad was talking about needing some extra help just so we can flip this big chunk here. So we need a couple extra guys at the shop. I'll be one, he'll be another. Maybe we can rustle up two more. Hopefully we can get Aiden back here. Dad wants to move this out where he can paint it as well. So this is not going to be a quick, easy fix, but once everything's painted, or at least that, then he can paint the inside of this Bombardier Muskeg Tractor and scrape out some more of that rust and do some more vacuuming. And then he's going to paint all this black, and then this obviously yellow, construction yellow. We do have the glass for all this ready. We just need the gasket now, so won't have to wait on that. Little dog's just busy in the shop, happy with her papa. The other dogs are outside having their afternoon treats, and Mom's working today, so I'm gonna feed Dad here tonight. So it's just an end of day check-in, and yeah, so lots of progress today. Happy about that. Very happy about that. And we'll check in with you guys on the next video. 5 pecker-headed dogs enjoying their afternoon treats.